Well, hi there, guys. This is Drone Effects Travels again. We're going to go out and see how the raccoons fared last night. We had a storm, so we're going to walk to their spot and see if they're still here, or if they are, how they're doing. I usually check their food and water. Water shouldn't be an issue with all the rain we got last night. So we're going to run down here. And we're gonna head into the woods, our woods here, and we'll go check and see how they're doing. Temperature-wise, my nose is a little bit feels like it's running, but it isn't. Temperature-wise, it's not bad right now, so we're going on in to the wooded area here where they're at. We'll see what they're doing this morning. All right. There's the box. Oh, they're inside. They went inside last night. That was good. They wanted to be out of the weather. Right here he is. Say hello. You got somebody in there with you? Is Rocky in there with you? Or did he wander off? Is it just you in there? Huh? Is it just you in there? Is your brother in there? Oh, I heard that in there. Oh, there you're both there, it looks like. So they went inside their house. I see you there. You're sitting there looking. Yeah, right there you are. Probably kind of dark, guys, but gotta make sure he's okay. They've been eating a little bit, so yeah, I don't know. Hopefully, I see one in there. Oh, they're both there. Okay, are you both there? I want to make sure you guys are okay. I know you're wild animals, but we gotta check on them. You got plenty of food and water. They're inside the house right now, so it's kind of a gloomy, overcast day. So they went inside to get out of the weather last night because it rained pretty good. I'll know a bit later when they come out if they're both in there or not. I see one for sure. I mean, it's possible one may have moved on already. I don't see no signs of it walking around. You know, it's possible they're going to decide at some point they don't want to be here with us no more and go on. They like to come down and hang out the wood pile here. I'm going to walk down here and see who's here. But they're nocturnal animals, so it's possible they're just sleeping away. So, don't see them around the wood pile. So, work our way back to the house and leave them alone. And, you know, you want them to go back to what they are, wild animals. So. This is one of the last step. We already lost one. Went out. Oh, looky here. We are being watched. We are being watched. There is Smokey. There is Smokey. I see you in there. Is your brother in there with you? Oh, okay, you're both in there. All right, they're both in there. All right, guys. They're both still here. I can see the little eyes glowing, so that's a good. I mean, it's good that they're okay. We want them to eventually decide to go. So they're peeking out as we go. I see you there peeking at me. And they're both in there. They're both in there. They got out of the weather, so which is good. the rehab center did say that they know what to do. They've been rehabbed, so they know they got to where to go in for shelter and where to eat, and they've been, you know, the other thing is I want to clarify here too. They have both been vaccinated just like dogs for rabies, distemper, and all that. So they're all vaccinated. You know, they're not, you know, raccoons are known to carry rabies and stuff like that. But they're all had their shots, so they're all good for there. And yeah, so want to make sure they're okay and they're doing well. So we'll leave them alone for now. But I'm going to show you, I got another update here. Besides the raccoons, I'm going to show you. I have a major issue here. I discovered it yesterday. And we're going to walk over to there. What's first thing you notice is where my car and the motorhomes are sitting right now. And my trailer. I did put trailer hitch on the car yesterday and got that all done. Yeah, so I got a trailer hitch on the car so I can move we could haul this little utility trailer that we got. So you can see the trailer hitch down there. You got the trailer hitch installed. Motorhome and trailer hitch are sitting here for a reason. It's gonna be an expensive reason. I discovered something yesterday when I was putting the hitch in the car, and we're gonna go up to it, and I'm gonna show you here. We're gonna spin this around so you can see. Okay, here we go. See this tree? See that big old crack in it? All the way up. This side of the tree's about ready to fall. I got a call in, and see I got it cordoned off with danger tape. So got the area cordoned off. I got a call into a few tree guys right now trying to get somebody out here because they're gonna take the tree down. Unfortunately, it's beyond saving. So I got a guy that's up here, so I moved everything out of the way here, out of harm's way, in case a piece breaks off. You know, we don't need that. So that's my latest update. The raccoons are doing well, so they're still out there hanging out in the box. So anyway, guys, thanks. This is my third update for the raccoons. So, and I did upload video. So, but I will see you on the next one. And as always, if you're new to my channel, if you will, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates and on the raccoons, as well as everything else that goes on with my channel, as in travels, off-roading, all that stuff. So anyway, guys, thanks for coming in, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.